top of the morning, y'all. What's going on? Orlando, I am the man. Now check me out, right? So we're hitting the road today. You know, yesterday was Labor Day. Yeah, time. I just put a timestamp on that. We're hitting the road. I'm going to one of my customers. Now this customer is like, it's a little different. So this is like my third customer that I have now. Pretty soon, guys, I'll be running just straight Florida and Georgia. You hear me? Yes. So, okay, this customer they're actually in Canada, but they're connected with this other customer, which is a liquor distillery. And they want to go move some stuff for them. It's quick stop, really. I'm really going to pick up some stuff out of there and bring it down the street. And they're paying pretty good for that. So that's a good customer right there. And the liquor distillery, I'm cool with the owner. So that's another customer. And then, of course, you guys know about the Georgia customer. And I'm working a few more customers, too, man. So y'all going to see what we got going on. It's pretty much just cardboards. Picking up cardboards on the pallet, bring it to another cardboard spot so they can dispose of it. Yeah, they pay for that. Pay. So, yeah, it's pretty good. I'm looking forward to peak season. Oh, yes. Peak season is on the horizon, guys. Peak season is on the horizon. Prepare. If you're coming out here right now, it's a great time to come out here. But you might not even come out in the drought. So I'm definitely ready for peak season. I have a couple things popping up in the peak season. Actually, hear me out. Actually, y'all ready for it? Drum rolls. I started a dispatching company. I'm not gonna put it out there yet. We've been running for a while, a couple of months now, about 2 months, 3 months. But got a seasoned dispatcher also. Yeah, we got a seasoned dispatcher that's running it, and yeah, you know, I book my own loads for the most part, but I test her out. A few times with Nietzsche. I mean. And she's doing well. I got 1 or 2 other guys that I put on her. She's doing her thing, especially with the box truck. She does semi. She does, she's just box truck. So if you guys are looking for a dispatcher, let me know. We're not taking anybody right now. But once we ready to fully launch, because right now we're just doing a test run with a couple individuals. She's been dispatching, but we're doing some little test run, make sure everything's everything. You know what I mean? I got my name's on that. Anything I put my name on, we gotta be certified, right? That's what I say. So she dispatched me. Dispatch a couple other people, but yeah, we're doing a thing, man. It's all about growth, man. And I noticed it's a lot of new box truck drivers out here. You guys definitely need guidance. I know when I first came out here, shout out to my dispatcher. Even though me and her don't no longer work together, she helped me out. So shout out to her. She helped me out. Shout out to Chris. Her name was Chris. So you don't necessarily gonna need a dispatcher for the long run once you learn the game yourself. It depends how you want to run your business. That tells if you need a dispatcher. Some people just want to be hands off. If you want to be hands off, yes, you need a dispatcher. If you want to be hands on, I suggest you get a dispatcher for the 2, 3, maybe even 4 months. I would say the first 6 months have a dispatcher just to get get it going. And so yeah, we got a dispatcher company. We're hiring a couple more dispatchers also. We're venting. We're venting. We make sure we getting some type people, some people that's doing it do. And of course, your boy, hey, you might get me dispatching a couple of your loads myself. So yeah, that's where we at with that. But I'm about to go pick up this load. Y'all gonna rock with me. Yeah. Y'all rock with me, man. It's an accident on the highway, man, so I gotta take some local streets right now, but it's all good. I'm gonna holler at you though. And I'll be right back, right here. The next scene, you know, I'll be in Orlando. You know what I mean? Sunshine, blue skies. All right, y'all, we reached. Now I'm about to follow the guy from the distillery, the owner, to the warehouse where this stuff is located. I'm gonna bring it about 5 minutes down the road and get rid of it just like that. You heard me? There's the owner right here in the gray truck. My apologies, y'all. Guess what? I forgot to record everything, the loading off the truck. I forgot, but it's all good though. You're gonna see the next one when we dropping it off at Recycle Plant. Here we go. All right, I'm here. This place is nasty. Oh, anybody want a box truck? Want a box truck? Yeah, I don't think they're gonna pay me for these cardboard. I need to just get it out my truck because I got a load I need to pick up. Okay then. But it's hot out here. Y'all can see truck is not offloaded, man. Truck is offloaded. Now gotta go find another load. I'm working on a few loads right now, waiting in response from a couple brokers. And that's it. I didn't get paid for this guy. Well, man, when I said I didn't get paid, I didn't get paid from over here. I thought I was gonna be able to sell it to him. He probably gave me, but I wanted to get it off my truck anyway. Dude was like, yeah, right now the associates would not accept nothing. So he probably just looked at my truck and said, he's not gonna want to bring it back. It gotta be a lie. Cause he said, let me see it first. So he probably gave me, he probably gonna sell it for himself, whatever. I don't care. It was dude where I picked it up from told me I could sell it. He gave me his location anyways, the distillery guy, right? So I didn't care. It's off my truck. Now time to get some money. Now I did get paid pretty well for this to go down the street. Pretty much, what, 10 miles? Right? Some people getting, the price I got for this, we ain't gonna tell you the price. The price I got for this little load, some people getting that coming out of Florida, going to North Carolina. You know what I'm saying? So, pretty good, man. Definitely locking in with that customer, and I'm locking in with the distillery guy. I mean, distillery guy pretty cool. He the one gave me the link anyways. He plugged me in with this customer. I ran one load for that customer. And then the customer reached out to me individually. Well, I guess he called the distillery guy. He needed somebody. And the distillery guy reached out to me and let me know that customer was looking for somebody. And I communicated with the customer, and I negotiated a price. And I sent him an invoice. Boom. He paid me before I even picked this up. I got paid since Friday. Today's Tuesday. So, yeah. So it was a pretty good load, man. On to the next one. For this video, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share again. You know what it is, your boy Lando. It's hot. I ain't turning the AC because I want y'all to hear me. You know what I mean? But it's hot. Look at my chest. Sweating, boy. But yeah. Appreciate you guys for watching again, man. It's your boy Lando. I am the man, though, and I'm out.